Hi guys, for today's vlog, we're heading to Taiwan's beautiful North Coast. Our first stop is Yehliu Geopark, famous for its stunning rock formations shaped by the sea, wind, and time. Then, we'll have lunch at Jiufen Old Street, a charming mountain village full of food and old world magic. After that, we're visiting Houtong Cat Village, a peaceful little town loved by cat lovers. And finally, we'll end the day at Shifen Old Street, where we'll fly lanterns and make a wish. So come with me as we spend the day exploring, eating, reflecting, and making memories along Taiwan's North Coast.
Morning, vlog! Good morning, guys! Mommy!
Good morning guys! It's 8:41 a.m. and papunta tayo ngayon ng Yehliu Geopark. So nagbook lang kami ng private car with driver sa Blue app. Ilalagay ko na lang yung link sa description box below. 6,000 NTD siya for 10 hours, maximum of 8 people. Then beyond that, like at least 30 minutes to 1 hour, mag-a-add ka ng 500 NTD. So hindi kami nag-Klook tour for this trip because I heard parang amazing race daw yung sa Klook. Like very limited lang yung time per place. Eh, syempre kasama ko yung parents ko na pa-seniors na din and may baby din kami na kasama. So, better na hawak namin yung oras namin para if gusto nilang magpahinga saglit, hindi sila namamadali. But of course, if you are traveling alone, it's also good to try naman yung sa Klook para meron na rin kayong kasamang tour guide. Kasi itong driver namin, alam ko, sasamahan niya lang kami until ticketing counters.
Second area have a clean hand. Don't go to the street. It's dangerous. So only go to first and the second. Yeah.
Thank you!
Oh, there's ice cream
Stone.
rock.
Yeah. That here.
Okay.
Don't go to.
Yes.
It's dangerous.
Oh.
Yeah.
120 pala yung ticket. Good morning, guys!
Hi.
Welcome to
Your vlog.
Yehliu! My vlog! Yehliu! Bria, good morning! Ito si cute princess? Wow! Ang ganda dito, guys. Ito, parang mga kabutay. Tayo pupunta?
Sa Queensland.
Queensland!
Yung butter.
Queen's Head!
Queen's hand ang gusto ko.
Queen's Head!
Papalitan na yan. Magiging ng hand. Kasi maninipis na daw yung neck.
Yung Queen's Head. Nandito na lang kami sa likod. Di na kami pumila kasi medyo mahaba yung pila. Ganda.
Looking at these rocks again, it reminds me a lot of life. We are also shaped by challenges, experiences, and time. Sometimes the waves of life don't crash over us all at once. Sometimes they come quietly, little by little, shaping who we are. And just like these rocks, we can stand strong, beautiful, and unique even after being weathered by storms.
Moana! Moway! 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 Bell!
Bakit kay Brian? Bigat.
Bigat!
Brian, look! Ito daw, ito.
Hello! Guys, dito na yung bilihan ng mga pasalubong. So, andun lang yung entrance kanina. Tapos, punta lang kayo dito sa may left side. Sarap nito. 100 lang siya.
Ano yan?
Sausage. Non-garlic ka? Ano gusto mo?
Ikaw, anong gusto mo?
Ito na lang. Bakit walang stick? Bibili kami dito ng pasalubong. Ay! Yes po. Salamat. Mitzi coffee. Wait.
May libre kaming bag.
Hello! Xin chào, she's Vietnamese.
Hôm nay rất vui được gặp người bạn Philippines nhưng ở Việt Nam nói tiếng Việt Nam rất giỏi và đẹp.
May naintindihan mo, Jean? Ang bilis. Wow! Nagbe-Vietnamese na sila, oh. Friends na, friends. Hali kayo dito. A Vietnamese friend namin. Ang sarap nito.
But if different guys, 2, 4, 3, 15. 1,200.
Oo, 1,200. Sarap. Sarap itong wasabi squid. Itong handmade squid fillet. Pugita. Oy, anong kinakain mo batang maliit? Seaweed? Seaweed. Food trip ka. Budol na po ng raincoat. Ano kami sa Jiufen. So, inuna na namin to. Dapat gabi pa namin to gagawin. Para bukas yung lanterns, yung lights ng lanterns. Kaya lang kasi kailangan na namin mag-lunch. Dito lang yung maraming kainan. So, sinuggest sa amin na dito na muna mauna. Here?
Yeah.
Jiufen, a place that feels like it was quietly frozen in time. Its name means 9 portions, said to come from the 9 families who once lived here and ordered 9 shares of supplies. What was once a small mountain village later came to life during Taiwan's gold mining days. And until now, you can still feel its old soul in the lanterns, narrow streets, and timeless charm. Walking here feels warm, nostalgic, and almost magical.
Hi.
Hello, 6.
Okay, we serve you as only oolong tea. Okay, tea and dessert. We don't serve any meal.
Hindi kami umabot sa
Dati lang
hindi
yan.
kami umabot sa Amay Tea House. Dito kami sa ibang kainan. Chicken.
Chicken lang.
Fish fillet.
Parang nga inalis.
Busog. Masarap lahat. Ito pala yung menu nila guys kung gusto nyong kumain dito. Ayan. Dito kami kasi may kanin. Yan. Houtong Cat. Tanghulu.
This one is
Peanut ice cream roll. Tikman natin. Dito siya. Hindi na nakikita sila.
Ever wondered what it's like if cats ran a town? Welcome to Houtong Cat Village. Once a quiet mining town, now a playground paradise for our furry friends. You'll see them wandering the streets, lounging in the sun, and stealing hearts at every corner.
Hey baby, may energy ka na ulit? Saan ka pupunta? Nag-order lang kami ng coffee dito. Cute nung cafe, guys. Ganda ng view, oh. Wala masyadong tao ngayon. Yung mga maso. Grabe, sarap tumambay dito. Kaya lang, kulang kami sa oras. Hi! We are here at Shifen. Baby, look at the lantern! Oo! Halika na! Halika ka sa tears of joy, baby! Halika na! Wow! Okay, so...
Yellowstone.
Yellowstone.
Yes, yes.
Ayan, nagpapalipad na sila. Pwede naman pala sa gitna. I have question. I heard not allowed anymore, but now we can fly. Oh, wow, lucky. So we are here at the Yellowstone. And we will buy the lantern. The red, happiness, money, love, everything will be okay. 4 color is 250. At 350, 8 color. Happy siya sa train! Choo-choo, baby! Choo-choo! Yay! Ano yan, Daddy? Nise-set up na nila.
What? 이거 please. 야, 브로베 오케이. 이거 버번. 라스 이거. 오케이, 나니 이거 베스트. 야. 오케이, 잠깐만. Tingin. 5,
There's something so fun and hopeful about sending wishes into the sky. But did you know, a long time ago in Shifen, lanterns weren't used for wishes at all? Miners released them to let their families know they were safe, especially after long, dangerous shifts underground. In moments like this, you realize that even the smallest light can carry so much meaning, and that sometimes letting go is the most beautiful way to move forward.
Uy, may free printing. Since tatlo yung binili naming lantern, 3 photos yung pwedeng i-print yun. Tapos ito yung sa amin ni Jill.
Trust the process.
Ang ganda! Tapos ito yung kila ate. Tapos ito yung sa akin, Hanep. Oh, 100k subs sa YouTube. Oh. Dito yan sa yellow na ano. Ayan na po ang tirador ng snacks. Merong sandwich ngayon. Andito na pala kami sa hotel. Nakauwi na kami. So, hindi pa kami nagdi-dinner. Niisip namin kung dito na lang kami kain or lalabas kami. Salubong, mochi-mochi. Masarap to. Ang sarap nito. Nabili namin sa... Saan nga tayo nabili to? Sa ano? Jiufen? Sa Jiufen. Try namin to. Roasted squid. Ito yung store niya. Masarap.
Sarap.
Sarap. Masarap. Masarap. We're going to... Magsalita! Dito kami ulit. Kasi hindi pa namin nakakain yung ibang pagkain dito. Hindi kakain lahat. Magsisinfutang po kami. May pa-sticker pala sila.
Did you call 1410?
Try over there. Oh, get your, ano na, Sinky tofu. Sarap. Pila kami sa super large grilled chicken steak. Ang sarap. Kalasa niya yung ano, yung sa Ersao dati na chicken pops. Ang sarap! Fried chicken again! Yay! Ano to? Chicken pops? Hawakan mo ah! Dami! Uwi na tayo guys! Busog na kami.
Nothing like your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks. 'Cause baby in your absence life is boring, so I'll never leave.